Hey guys, it's my first video. So I'm playing Pokemon Mega. It's a game I found. Yeah. So you can choose male or female. I'm obviously gonna choose male. Confirm. Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur. And you guys probably know. Well, probably don't know, but I'm gonna go with my boy. What? Bulbasaur or Squirtle. Water used with Ricochet shell to fire restraining straining grass. Charmander does. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. Our story begins. Okay, let's go. Plateau League finale. Wait, what's this? Turn that down. Oh, it's getting all glitchy. Okay, so we're on the bottom. Okay. Yeah, it's getting really glitchy. Whoa. Okay. He does that. Now they do that. Again, you. Groudon. Oh, I hate Groudon. Okay. Then he just like destroys him. Everything faded to black? Why would everything fade? Okay, everything faded. A historic moment in Pokemon World. Yeah, blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Charmander. No, we have Bulbasaur. Ooh, beautiful music. Okay, so basically, we're here. A friend left us. I think that was Gary. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna do these little activity things. I've played this game before, so I basically know what to do. You guys, there. Challenge the boss. Okay, so hit battle. You probably have the link to this in the description. Boom. Oh. Wait, Rattatat's a fire type in this game? Really? Wow, what are the logics of this game? That makes no sense. Move you guys down. Okay, so shake that dice. Yeah, I'm just gonna do like some little stuff for now. Not really much big stuff until 50 diamonds and then I get 100. Oh, I can't say. Okay, so I'm too low. Yeah, this is another one of those pay to win. Yeah, level up a Pokemon, that's why I moved you guys there. Team, level up, and auto level up. Boom. Level up a Pokemon, another one. Oh, and then I'll show you guys the Super Summon Scrolls, I love them. Boom. Yeah, that's super easy. I'm getting better at this. Oh, I'm really quiet. Super summon. Yeah, okay. Summon? Here. This time it's for free. Continue, 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 continue. Yay! Now this one. Quit. Okay, so now I have some more Pokemon. Now, I'm gonna go to team. I'm gonna go up there. Team. Okay, should I get another grass type? Oh, Duskull. It's really helpful on my other one. Now I'll show you guys the other ones later. Water types, the fire types, and grass types, yeah. Not that Trapple grass type, but whatever. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm telling myself. So, I think I'm gonna do some more of these videos. I'm probably gonna do a game called Pokemon World 2. Yeah, I'm gonna have a really short video, so we're gonna get pretty much a lot done. How much time do I have left in my recording? I can't see. Oh, well. Oh, there. Oh, I've been recording for 8 minutes of you guys just watching me, you know, getting started. But, yeah, so I'm probably gonna do some Animal Jam too. But, maybe. But I get picked on for playing it, so maybe not. You guys hear the music? Probably. Oh, a Master Ball, that would be awesome. And then I'll go to the Pokemon Center. I'll show you what the Pokemon Center is, and then I think we'll end the video. After we get a, legendary. Because that's what I want. A legendary. Really bad. Capture 3 Pokemon, yeah, right. Sorry. Search whatever that is in the tank. Whip. Tackle. 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 Pokemon, no! Pokemons! Oh, I can't. I have to reach level 15 to get him. But, rare Pokemon. Oh my gosh. No? Want to use my Pokemon. Make me use my... Yeah, I'm not gonna catch him. Boy! Boy, why can't I do this without this thing? I'm not gonna use my master ball on a balloon. I have to use my master ball on a balloon, seriously? Well, I guess we got a balloon now. I'm gonna have to use that. Because if I have to... Yeah, no. Let's use our balloon. And then... So this is basically my channel. Boring. Yeah. People think I talk to myself. Talk to myself, yeah. Yay! Put 3 Pokemon in a battle. Challenge a boss once. That's for leveling up, I believe. So, yeah, my channel is probably not gonna see this video. But yeah. So this is my video, my first video. Or my second. I don't know if I'm gonna post the other. But yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back some other time. Hopefully.